And the embargo just lifted. We can finally tell you about the new HP laptops that are debuting at CES that we just got a first peek at. Check out the new Dragonfly Gen2 and the new HP Spectre X360 15, which, that doesn't look like a 15-inch laptop. What do you got going on here, HP? First of all, you got the Dragonfly Gen2, and it's a lot like the Gen 1, except 10th gen Intel processor, same over here on the Spectre, plus you're going to get 5G. It's optional, and well, 5G availability and pricing is what it is, but it's going to make this ultra portable even more portable. But because you're going to take it places, and because you might lose track of where it is because it's so thin and so lightweight, it's got tile tracking built in. That means, oh, you can ping it. Oh, you can find it. Oh, anybody who else is in the tile network, if their phone comes near this laptop, its location will get added to the network if you lose it. And as somebody who's spent too much of his life looking for stuff that he lost, that's the kind of feature that I think every laptop should have, and hopefully HP is setting the precedent that the industry will follow here. Next up, we've got the new Spectre X360 15, and I know what you're saying, that looks kind of small for a 15-inch laptop. Well, HP's shrunk the bezels, especially on the top and bottom, and it's made this machine, and this is the OLED version, even more portable, and it's kind of like fitting a much bigger screen into a smaller chassis. It's lighter, again, 10th gen processors, OLED version, and HP is claiming that this machine, even with its 4K version, there's a 1080p, but you know how 4K laptops drain their batteries really fast? Well, with the new Spectre X15, they're claiming up to 17 hours of battery life. And we can't wait to test that at the Tom's Guide offices. I'm Henry T. Casey. Check out all of our coverage from HP and CES at tomsguide.com.